What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And for today's video, man, we finna hop in Big Dolo. I gotta put the wheels back on first. I was gonna wait because I plan on taking the car to Middle Georgia next week, so we can really let it eat with no spinning and all that. But I'm like, man, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel back on. It don't take me long anyway, because I got the impact and all that stuff. Then I got to run some errands. I'm gonna drive Big Dolo. Cause I plan on hopping in brown coat tomorrow since I ain't drove brown coat. Cause y'all know it was blocked in. Cause I had to get Dolo straightened out, the axles. So we finna put the sixes back on. I'm gonna make a couple videos with the sixes on and some IG reels, some Instagram reels, man. Y'all got to follow me on Instagram, man. If you ain't following me on Instagram, you missing out on some stuff too. Cause I be putting some stuff on there that ain't even on here on the YouTube channel. So you got to follow my Instagram. It's JMalcom 2004 rides. You already on there, then you know what I mean. Y'all be saying stuff that I don't put up over here. So and when we get back to the house, we're gonna put the speakers in this thing, man. Not the 6x9s just yet. If I had the mounts where it's still mounted on the bottom, I would just put 2 in here for right now, so I can have some kind of sound. But I'm gonna go ahead and put the front speakers in, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my TV back in too, and bolt it down completely good so it don't snatch out. Cause that's why I had took it out. Cause it snatched out last time. But I'm gonna get this thing backed up, get the wheels on. Cause I need to take these out too. Y'all know slicks will go flat. So after I do that, I turn y'all back on. I ain't even gonna record putting the wheels on. Y'all already seen that a million times. So catch y'all in a minute. So we got Big Dolo all mounted back up. I'm finna go. I guess we're gonna hop in that thing, man, and go put some gas in it. It definitely needs some gas. I can fill it up now, cause I try to keep the gas low when I race it, cause you know that weight. But I'm gonna go ahead and put some 93 in it, fill it up, so it has some gas. Then I'll be done rolled it out before Friday, next Friday. That's when I'm gonna take it to the track again. So I'll be done got all the gas out by then. So we're gonna go gas this thing up and stop by the store and do some daily driver stuff. And then we get back, I'm gonna throw them 4x6s in the front, the Pioneers, and I'm gonna throw the TV back in, so I at least have some sound in the front. But I gotta get that. I'm gonna look at what I gotta do to get that seat situated too. I'm finna look at that too. So we're gonna go on to the store, run the errands, and then we're gonna get back and get to it, y'all. Alright, y'all see I'm in Big Dolo, man. Just now leaving. Autos on. I'm gonna put some gas in that thing while we still got a little race fuel in there, so we get a good little blend. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we're checking in. We made it to the gas station. So we about to gas up, put a little 93 in there, cause we about empty. So then after that, y'all gonna hit the grocery store and get with the family and see what we get into. Then we gotta get these speakers in. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. Alright, y'all, I'm in a predicament. I'm on side of the road, man. It ain't nothing major, but I seen my temperature hand. I had just looked at it. It was normal. Then I looked back up, but that thing had bottomed out. Boom! Instantly. But I caught it. I caught it soon as it happened, literally. That's why I'm glad I always keep my eyes on the temp gauge. Cause I kept hearing something like slapping, sound like some rubber slapping. And it was rubber slapping. It was the belt. The belt was coming to pieces, man. So wifey right here, I was trying to let it cool off. So we're gonna go to the parts store, get a belt. I'll come back and put it on. Y'all see it wasn't that hot. I caught it soon as it happened because the temperature wouldn't be going back that fast. So I'm finna go get a belt, come back, put it on. We'll be back on the road, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. Just came back from the parts store, getting the belt, me and wifey. So I actually found the belt shredded up in the road so I can get the part number. So I'm gonna show y'all that later on. But for now, I gotta cut y'all off. I'm finna put the belt on. So turn y'all back on in a minute. All right, so I'm just now literally getting this thing to the house, y'all. Y'all see the sun going down. We've been running back and forth with them belts, man. The belt that was on there, I don't even remember how I got that belt on there. But that belt was it was too short. It was too short. Then, put the belt on. Got the right belt finally. Man, and I went far from the house. This thing started running hot. Then I seen it was low on water. So I put a little water in it. It cooled back down real fast. Them fans right too. The rotary fan right. So it cooled back down like instant. I ain't been home but like 10 minutes, but I cranked it up, let it run. Well, I don't know. And like I said, I let it run. And then like I said, man, it wasn't hot though. It was reading like a little past 220, which that's not normal for my engine. You gotta know where your engine run. Some Chevrolet engines can run that stock, but that ain't normal for my car. So I knew it was warmer than what it should be. But I unscrewed the cap, it wasn't no pressure on it. So the engine wasn't just super hot. Even when the belt shredded, I caught it real fast. I popped the cap off as soon as I parked the car. So the car hadn't got hot. And thank God I got a great cooling system I put together. And them the Riley fans so right. When I got here, that thing was a little bit past 220. Just a hair past 220. I cut it off. I cut the fans on, man. I could see the hand I can see the hand going back like this. Cooling it out like that, boy. You get what you pay for. Them the Riley fan right. But we good now. Good now. So, yo. That's that. But y'all see it, I got dark, and it wasn't time for me to end this video, so I'm not gonna end it. But we're gonna pick up where we left off tomorrow. So that's what we're gonna do. Cause I was gonna put the speakers right here and all that. But we're gonna pick up where we left off tomorrow, man. And I'm probably gonna shoot some brown coat, cause I ain't drove brown coat at this point in about going on 2 weeks. Cause it rained all last week. I ain't even took the cover off of it. So probably gonna get in this one. But like I said, we did a little ride. But like I said, we're gonna continue tomorrow. So I'm gonna catch y'all then. All right, so it's the next day. And I was saying, man, I got everything straightened out. Still, the belt I had got, they had gave me the wrong rib count, but it was the semi-right length. I think a little bit longer work. So what I ended up having to do, I already did. Got up, went and swapped the belt out. Got the right length belt, perfect length, and the right rib count. So it's all good. It was a little low on water too. We got all that good. I done drove it. I drove it around earlier. Still unlocked. And we good. So now we're finna see, like I said originally at the intro, we're gonna see if we can get these sounds in here. Put the speakers in there, and then I gotta see about mounting this thing in here the right way. Let me show y'all what I'm working with. Right there. Which I got the piece that go in there, but I mean, I gotta lock it down. I need the screws to lock it down right there, so it don't be sliding out. Cause last time the whole the whole piece was sliding out. The black part right here don't sliding out, not the radio itself. I can lock the radio and play, but that part sliding out. But I need a new one of these anyway, cause I need my knobs and all that little accessory stuff, which I'll be getting. Cause you know, like I said, all this stuff work, but I need all that. I'm gonna get a new one. I'm gonna end up getting a new one anyway. But I'm finna crank this thing up and back it up, so I have some space and I ain't so close to wife's car. So y'all stay. We back. So this gonna be my next thing too. Get these right here fixed. I need an arm, a wiper arm. One of them messed up, but and put the motor in there. But anyway, it's something else. Anyway, I'm putting my radio back in, my TV. Y'all know I had this back when I had the budget engine. When it was a budget bill back in them days, last year, which was last year. So then when I had bought it, put it in for us. I had put it in. I ain't never had no speakers in the car, but I got the 4x6s Pioneers. I already took the dash cover off, and they supposed to fit right down in there. Cause if I remember right, they're what they come with, 4x6. So I'm about to stick these in there. Go ahead and get them hooked up. See if we get some sound. I ain't did the deck yet because the seat is not completely situated yet. So I'm gonna be looking at that today too, to see what kind of attack plan I'm gonna come with actually getting this mounted in and bolted down. Now, this part gonna be easy. I already seen it. All I gotta do is drill some new holes and get the big star bit, some star screw, pick up some screws, probably put a nut on the back side and lock it down. They're gonna be easy. This the part, the bottom, they're gonna be tricky. And I gotta get those seat belt extenders, and I'm gonna see if I can get that black plastic piece off too, or if I can take it off and not even use it. Cause I know with most seat swaps, these cars, most people just switch the front seats and then leave the back seat factory, and then they just change the pattern accordingly. I'm like, nah, I ain't want to do that. If I'm gonna change the interior, I want to change the interior. So, and I got the stuff. I got to hook the power, run the power to these seats too, which ain't nothing. And or something else I'm thinking about doing. Cause when I took out the interior part, which y'all see it paint coming loose, but it is what it is. I just did this cause it had all that green and black stuff in it, and I just want to make it somewhat uniform. And I got this still too. I just ain't put it back cause I got to figure out the wiring stuff. So it's a bunch of little knick-knack stuff, man. I'll probably get my little bro Steve over here to handle all that. I need to find why I ain't got power to this wire, which is supposed to power the master switch and power everything else. So I just been running it straight off the master wire. I twist up right here, run it to the fuse box right there, touch it, and then I let my windows down. All the windows go down except that one over there, which I'm thinking the window motor bad, and I've been had those since last year. I got 2 of them. I had them since last year, brand new in the box, but I gotta get somebody to put them in. So what I'm thinking about doing, and if I remember right, all box Chevys. Now this year came with the seat belts attached to the door, which I really don't like. I don't like this. So what I've been thinking about doing is changing the door panel, going to a door panel for a box Chevy that has the seat belts in the regular location, and then relocating. Cause if I remember right, if you take this piece off, which I'm gonna take it off and check, I think it still has the mounting hole right there for the provision right there where you can mount the seat belts. You just have to change the pillar cover and change the door panel. But I'm gonna check that. I meant to look, but I think I remember seeing it when I took all this stuff out. But I think you can. But if I can, I'm gonna end up doing that, cause I don't really like that. But anyway, let's get this stuff out, man. I'm finna get to it. All right, we got that thing all mounted. I'm gonna end up buying another one of these though, cause the bottom piece right there broke where the screw go up from the bottom and hold it. And so you know it ain't all the way flush in the bottom. But like I said, I'm just gonna go get another kit right here, and them holes that snap through there right there. But we got it in there. We got power to it, which it was already hooked up, y'all. So I told y'all I been had it. The harness was just in here. All I had to do was plug the radio up. So I can't remember which positive and which negative, so that's why I ain't put that down in there yet. but I just got them twisted up, so we're gonna cut them on. I'm gonna pop a CD in, since that's the quickest thing, instead of trying to do Bluetooth and all that. And we're gonna see if I got some sound or whatever, which I can't play that cause we'll get a copyright, but I'm finna get all that done, then turn y'all back on after I get it buttoned up. Okay, so this where I'm at. Man, I'm probably gonna end up going to Walmart. Probably drive brown coat, cause I said I was gonna drive it today. Make y'all a video with that too, cause this thing right here, man, ain't gonna work, man. When that bottom, you gotta have that bottom. You gotta have that bottom to just hold it in place, man. This ain't it right here. Cause it's gonna pop out. It's just the weight and stuff. But the speaker mounted, they connected right, got them right on the first try. So that side not gonna have to be in the bracket cause of the cluster, the dash or whatever. You know, keep it from going down. But y'all can see right here, we're gonna have to put this in the bracket cause that bad boy slide clean down through there. So it's gonna have to be put in the bracket. So I'm about to strap it down. And I turned the radio on, man. I forgot to sit by now. It was some Pioneer back there, man. I hooked the wires up to them. I said, shit, I know these speakers don't work. I did that a long time ago. I turned the radio on, boy, it was booming in here, boy. I said, what the? I said, boy, I got some bad speaker, boy. It's a wrap. I got some for now. I got at least 2 on back there that work. I'm surprised them things still work, man. Sound good too, but I'm still put my new ones in. But that's what we about to do. I'm about to get these mounted down. And then I can put the dad cover back on. And then we're gonna hit the Walmart, which like I said, I'm gonna shoot y'all another video, but then we're gonna continue this when I get that bracket. So y'all. So we got Big Dolo all wrapped up for now. Cause I just thought about it. I was like, man, I gave y'all a lot of footage on this vlog, man. We had broke down, man. We had to get a new belt and all that. We got the sounds in. It sound real good. I got the dad cover back on, but later on today, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get that other bracket, something brand new with all the pieces in it, so I can clamp it down like it's supposed to. Cause I still don't like it. I like when it comes to radios and stuff. I definitely like the stuff sitting flush like it's supposed to. I like it look like a factory look, like like you would expect if you were to go to a high level shop. Like this how I always put my radios in and stuff. Now I ain't always used to be like that. I used to just throw it in there so I can have some sounds and then go about it. I ain't care about buckling it down completely and all that stuff, but I do now. But man, look at this. People saying they car clean, man. They clear coat peeling on the hood and stuff. It's a lot of imperfections on the top of the car. It's a lot of imperfections on Big Dolo. It need painted just like Meats, but it look good going down the road now. It clean. It clean going up the road now. You see it on the interstate. You'll say, hey, that joker clean, boy. Got that stance on and stuff. But now we got the sounds and all that. I got the back seat out of it too. Well, the bottom portion. Cause I'm about to take this. I'm finna keep working. I just ain't finna record all this. But I'm finna take this the plastic piece off right here. And this will just allow the seat cushion to fold up and give you access to it. So we don't need that. But I'm gonna take this off. Cause it's too tall, man. It just make it odd. It just make it odd, man. Then I gotta get seat belt extenders and all this stuff. But anyway, I got other stuff to do. Man. So they're gonna end this vlog. Like I said, it's been a 2-day vlog for this one, but I told y'all that I wasn't gonna cut y'all off stuff cause we had to get the speakers in, whole purpose in. We got the speakers in. We got front speakers. I forgot we already had back speakers in there. They actually work. They shocked me. They actually work. So after I get that button down, I'm gonna put the deck in, get the deck done. The back seat, it's gonna have to be a little modification. It's a big metal piece. It's blocking the seat belt, so they can't even come up through there. So it's gonna have to be some drilling and cutting, all that other stuff. But fairly simple hooking that up. I already see that, fairly simple. So I'm gonna take it to Jesse, let him look at it. I'm pretty sure he can get the seat in there, but I'm gonna get the seat belt extenders first so we can do all that at one time. So yeah, man, that's gonna be it for today. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.